only known the last time would be the last time, I would have put off all the things I had to do. I would have stayed a little longer, held on a little tighter. Know what I'd give for one more day with you. Cause there's a wound here in my heart where something's missing, and they tell me that it's gonna heal over time. But I know you're in a place where all your wounds have been erased, and knowing yours are healed is healing mine. The only scars in heaven, they won't belong to me and you. There'll be no such thing as broken, and all the old will be made new. And the thought that makes me smile now, even as the tears fall down, is that the only scars in heaven are on the hands that hold you now. I know the road you walked was anything but easy. You picked up your share of scars along the way, but now you're standing in the sun. You fought your fight and your race is run. The pain is all a million miles away. The only scars in heaven, they won't belong to me and you. There'll be no such thing as broken, and all the old will be made new. And the thought that makes me smile now, even as the tears fall down.
In gratitude from the family of late Ferdinand Lyngdoh Mawphlang. October 2nd, 2021 was a sorrowful day for our family when we lost our dear Ferdinand Lyngdoh Mawphlang, who was an assistant professor in the College of Community Science, Tura. But amidst the gloom and sadness, we were fortunate to have had countless souls who came to console us. As a family, we are grateful to God, our Creator, who had given dear Ferdinand to us. In his short journey, Ferdinand left behind indelible footprints. With God's blessings, his earthly pilgrimage had been eventful, and he lived his life to the full. However, our Creator had different plans for Ferdinand. As they say, for whom the gods love, die young. We are also thankful to our Creator for having showered his blessings upon us at a time when we had no answers on the sudden and tragic demise of our loved one. We are also grateful to the Lyngdoh Mawphlang clan, whose members had been with us through thick and thin. Our gratitude to the clans of Rangsamarak, Mawphlang and Thankyu, and all our relatives for having stood by us. A special word of gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sangma and his family, his mother Srimati Suradini K. Sangma, Honorable Leader of Opposition Dr. Mukul M. Sangma and his family, Honorable Ministers, Honorable Legislators and members of the District Council and various public leaders from different quarters who had been by our side to console and give strength to each one of us. We also thank the parish priest of Mawphlang Parish, Father Genesimus Nongling, the assistant parish priest Father Krishan Kharpuri, priest Father John Madur, Father Sylvanus Nongkanri, Father Francis Karwanlang, Father Pascal Lyngdoh, members of Sisters of Fatima of Mawphlang Parish, Sister Anita Watlang, Sister Clarissa Watlang, Catechist of Mawphlang Parish Confida Nongpri, members of the Catholic Church Mawphlang Parish who had come to support us with prayers and to perform the rituals. We are indebted to all the priests who have offered prayers during the celebration of the Holy Mass for the repose of Ferdinand's soul. We are indebted towards the authorities, members of the faculty and former and current students of the College of Community Science, Dura, who had always been on Ferdinand's side for the last many years. Our gratitude also goes to Dr. Anupam Mishra, Vice Chancellor, Central Agricultural University, Imphal, Dr. U.K. Behera, Dean of the College of Agriculture, Kirtemkulai, Ribhoi District, and Professor K. Mamocha Singh, Registrar, Central Agricultural University, Imphal. We are grateful to Lady Keen's College, Meghalaya College Teachers Association, Lady Keen's College Unit, and the English Department of the North Eastern Hill University, NEHU. We are thankful to Ferdinand's teachers from St. Edmund's School, St. Edmund's College, especially Dr. Arundhati Datta, Assam Rifles Public School, and all his friends and well-wishers who had been there for him all these years and who had stood by us in solidarity. Our family also expresses our sincere gratitude to Bat Rocky Marwin from Umsning and the family members of Kong Magrisha's Aim who had rushed to the spot where the fatal accident had occurred on the fateful day. Headman and inhabitants of Samlem Ribhoi, MLA of Nongpok Constituency Bat Meral Bond Singh, MDC of Nongpok Constituency Bat Balachet Rani, Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi Kong RM Gurba, and other officers and staff, SP of Ribhoi Bat N Lamare, officers and staff of Umsning and Nongpok Police Station, doctors and employees of Civil Hospital Nongpok who had supported and helped us in various ways. Our gratitude goes to the people of Umroi constituency, members of various political parties in the state, government officials from various departments, employees of Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, State Rural Employment Society, teachers and staff of Shillong Commerce College, members of the Seng Lyngdoh Mawphlang, Catholic Association and Seng Rangpa Catholic of the Shillong Archdiocese, and friends from Unong Sanghima and other media houses, the Meghalaya Editors and Publishers Association, and the Shillong Press Club. Our gratitude also goes to the Dorbach Nong Mawprem Lomsapho Local Committee, neighbors and members of Mawprem locality. A special word of mention to the family of Ba Prabhat D. Sawian and Kong Nayantara Sawian for having generously helped us in more ways than one. We are thankful to the police and traffic personnel of Lomdingjiri Police Station, Hinyotreb Youth's Council for having provided us with the ambulance on the day of funeral, Kong Violet Talang and her team for their hard work in ensuring that various needs were met, and to all those friends who had supervised and lent a helping hand at home and at the cemetery. We take this opportunity to express our gratitude to all those friends who had come home and those who conveyed their condolences and who prayed for Ferdinand and our family. Kindly accept our gratitude and we will remember you in our prayers. Kublai Shihajarmo. Kong A.R. Lyngdoh Mawphlang, Mother. Mallory R. Marak, wife. Mirai F.R. Marak, daughter. George B. Lyngdoh Mawphlang, Teresia's Aim and their family. Wanda Shisha Lyngdoh Mawphlang, Dr. Sandy Aaron War and their family, Damapi Shisha Lyngdoh Mawphlang, Andrew W. Lyngdoh Mawphlang, John H.B. Lyngdoh Mawphlang, Ibakordor Shisha Nongklau and their family, and all the family members and loved ones of Ferdinand Banchanlang Lyngdoh Mawphlang.
Is that the only scars in heaven?